As you can see, the system
construction vehicles.
4.
Dump truck.
Ride powers up in auto mode.
Dump truck.
We're also going to put the safety flag there, so this folks are going to very quickly.
Crawler dump truck.
Now, before we close out this episode, I did want to give you a heads up. We will be at the Newport Rhode Island Boat Show, September 12th to 15th.
Serious symptoms. Alert your doctor right away. Excavator. Injection are at highest risk. Side effects may include allergic reactions like rash, breathing problems, dizziness, neck and injections. Nerve condition.
Traffic cone truck.
Auto rack. Diesel electric locomotive.
Diesel electric steam train.
Electric locomotive.